2750 Centrecab Ultra 2023. We're still working on this. Got a lot of stuff to show you. When you come down, we can go through it some more. So I'm going to get away from these boats so I can show you what this thing will do. So, right here, I'm far enough away, I guess. Okay, so I'm going to put this thing in neutral. Now watch this. So basically, and that's working. You can adjust the squelch on that too just by hitting this button here. Okay, now see how it's going to the right? The wind's coming out of the north. Neutral, right? Neutral, neutral. I can steer this and keep the sucker straight. Most boats would just continue to take off that way. Now, to turn it, if you hard crank this over, I can go into one motor. I'll just go in a single lever right there, hit this one, go hard over, right here, until it stops, and then just kind of go like this. Now watch how tight this thing turns. We got this buoy and this over here, so I'm just going to slowly give it a little gas. And if you go like this, it gets it going faster. Now look at this thing go. It'll turn inside of a circle without blowing out. Now how many boats can do that? Now same thing in reverse. You can pop this in reverse. And now we just made those wakes, right? Now I'm backing up. I don't even have that splash guard back there. Look how fast that turns in reverse. Okay, then hit this baby again, single lever. Then you can just take off instantly. It's a nice handling boat, really is. Okay, the radar is working. Still thinking about those other things. And I think you can even get another one of these and hook it to the back with a mic, and it might work with under one unit. So you'd have it here and there. See, we're losing the bottom again at this speed at 23, but we're still getting our depth. I want to see when we start losing that. I'm going to use the trim tab, straighten her out. Because I don't care, I'm not really going to probably read the bottom, see how the numbers are going wacky. I just want my depth up there. So we're doing 30 miles an hour, and I'm still getting a depth reading, which that's all I'm concerned about, right? Because you're not going to fish at 30 miles an hour. So I'm still getting it. I'm going to go over here. I'm still at 4. You're still reading the bottom. So you know you can leave that. You can leave that transducer where it's at. Actually. Half mile out. Okay, did I forget anything? If I did, you can just ask me about it. All right, this is the boat doctor out. Very nice boat. I like it. Just some minor little things. So again, I'm going to show you this. So water, if you horse that out, there's a plug up there. You undo that. That goes into here. There's a plug there. You undo that. That goes into here. Then you hit the waste pump, and then that pumps them all out. But always make sure, if you don't want water in here, make sure that plug is plugged. And then this one's plugged. If you start taking water up in there for some reason, undo that. Get it into here, then get it into there, and then pump it out. All right, this is the boat doctor out.